So welcome to today's tutorial. So today we'll be doing this text effect you're seeing on the screen. This text effect you're seeing. So I did it from scratch. So I'm going to remove it and show you how I was able to make these text effects. So quickly I'm going to hide them. So I'm going to be using this background. Let me just show you how I got the background. Let me change it to white so that now let me select the background. Okay, or let me make it like this. This is the background. So I'll give you the background color. You can see over here is the code. If you want to type the code, it's 4DA 3EA 4DA 3EA. You can just come here, type it. Let me just clean this and type it. So we have 4DA 3DA. Click go. You see the color and you click OK. Color will just appear here. Yeah, color will just appear there. So quickly, after you've gotten the background, you're going to add your text. Let me add my text. Increase the size. You can use any text you like. So I'm going to be using the word true. Okay, or let me use something else. Let me use false. Since I've used true, let me use false for this one. Let me use false. So first of all, you change the font. So you go to your fonts. So I'm going to be using a font. You can locate the font. I don't want to start searching for the font. I already use the font. So the font is Oblex Pro. Oblex Pro is in your Pixel app. If you check your fonts here, the free font that comes with this Pixel app, you'll find it. Oblex Pro. Let me just show you where it is. Just keep scrolling to find it. You can search fonts in this Pixel app. So okay, yes, this is it here. Oblex Pro. So you pick it. So yes, this is it. So the next thing you do is I want to change the color of this. I don't want just pure white. So I'm going to pick a gradient color. So I select the color here. I take this down a bit. Okay. And the same as this. Yeah. So this is what I want. The next thing I'll do now is I'll go to my stroke, add stroke, reduce it to 2. I'll also pick that same gradient color I used. So ensure to see the color code. Let me show you. Let me show you the color code again. Sure to see the color code. For this one, if I click here, you can see the color code here. D6, D6, D6. Then for this, you see the color code here. E5, E5, E5. So that's that. So let's continue. You added your stroke. The next thing you have to do is to go to your 3D. Click on 3D text. Click on 3D text. Yes, they change it to oblique, and reduce the depth to 3. Reduce the depth to 3. Then go to your undarken and do 35. Go to your oblique angle and take it to 225. 225. Yes. Then you go to your light angle and change it to 100. 105. 105. If you can't get 105, you can just get something close. Then that's that. So the next thing you do, still on the 3D, you go to your shadow and reduce it to 20. Good. So yes, let's continue. So the next thing now is to copy this text, copy it, then increase it by 1, increase the size by 1, go to your bold, text style and bolden it, then go to your stroke and change the color. So I want to change the color. I'm going to use another gradient color. So I want to change the color for this. So I'll choose this. Uh, I'm trying to find a color that fits the outer layer of this. Okay, let me use the color I've used before. Let me use this. Let me show you the color code. For this, look at the code D54812, D54812, D54812. Why for this you see F7B, oh sorry, F7, FF7B0B, FF7B0B. So that's the code. So then click OK. The same thing you have to do with the color of the text. Go to the color of the text and change it to the same color too. So you have this, then you have to now take this to the back, take it to the back, then you position the first text like this, let it appear like this, position it for it to appear like this, front of it. And so you have something like this, So the next thing you do is to go, then the first text, you go to your shadow, you go to your shadow and add shadow, reduce the opacity to 50, and the blur radius, reduce it to 2, reduce blur radius to 2, then you reduce this to -3, the offset x to -3, and increase the y to 6. Then you go to the one at the back, so add your shadow, reduce the opacity to 70, reduce the opacity to 70, then the blur radius, reduce it to 5, then this to minus the offset to -3 and the y to +3. And you can also come to the 3 add the depth to 4, let the depth to be 4. Yes, and for the one for the front, make sure the depth, let the depth be 3. So now you can see how it looks. Text effect. You can change this to any text you want. So you can save this on your Pixel app, and when you want to use it for any other text. So how do you save this to your Pixel app as a text font that you can edit? Then you click on styles here. Click on styles and click save. You save style. If you browse it, you're going to see text. Cut it over here. You see it. Browse it in 60. That's the one I've saved before. Then you click on the one at the back. And style and click save. Browse it. You'll see it again. See it there. You can see. So that's that. So you can edit it. You can change it to true. Let me see. Change the one in front to true. So you see, voila, we have our text. So you can position it the way you want it to appear. So that's that, and that's probably one I did before. So you can see. So that's that text effects. Replicate these and send in as an assignment to everyone.